two ways to make money online. You either sell other people's products or you sell your own. Creating a product from scratch is hard. That's why selling other people's products, also known as affiliate marketing, is the best way to start. But if it was that easy, wouldn't everyone be doing it and making a fortune? Here's the problem. Many gurus love telling you what to do, but leave you to figure out the rest. It's like trying to solve a big complicated puzzle with missing pieces and without a finished picture. So we decided to solve this problem and do all the work for you. We picked the niche, bought the product, reviewed it, and we packaged it into a website for you to profit from immediately. Now all the complicated market research and techie work is done for you. And unlike every struggling marketer, you now have an unfair advantage that makes you look like a pro overnight. Simply log in, download, edit, upload, and send traffic. That's it. But wait, it gets better. We want you to continue making money with our sales machines. That's why we're going to give you new profit-pulling websites every month for an entire year for free. Why free? Yes, we could easily charge a monthly subscription for this service. However, we're more interested in building a following of people who love what we do. Because once you've made your first sale, even your first $1,000 online, you'll want to tell others about it. Free up your time and skip the hard work. Work on your business, not trapped inside it. Register now for a Super Sales Machine account and get access to your money-making websites immediately.